Are there 3 teachers in this room? No, there are not 3 teachers in this room. Are there 9 teachers in this room? No, there are not 9 teachers in this room. How many teachers are there in this room? There is 1 teacher in this room. Is this room big? No, this room is not big. Is this room small? Yes, this room is small. Is there a glass of water on the floor? No, there is not a glass of water on the floor. Is there a glass of water on the table? Yes, there is a glass of water on the table. How many glasses of water are there on the table? There is 1 glass of water on the table. Is this glass big? Yes, this glass is big. Is this glass small? No, this glass is not small. It is big. Is there a table on the wall? No, there is not a table on the wall. Is there a table on the ceiling? No, there is not a table on the ceiling. Where is the table? The table is on the floor. How many tables are there on the floor? There is 1 table on the floor. Is this table big or small? This table is big. Are there 4 students on this chair? No, there are not 4 students on this chair. Are there 2 students on this chair? No, there are not 2 students on this chair. How many students are there on this chair? There is 1 student on this chair. Is there a ceiling light on the floor? No, there is not a ceiling light on the floor. Is there a ceiling light on the wall? No, there is not a ceiling light on the wall. Where is the ceiling light? The ceiling light is on the ceiling. How many ceiling lights are there on the ceiling? There are 4 ceiling lights on the ceiling. Are you a student or a teacher? I am a student. Am I a student or a teacher? You are a teacher. Am I a Spanish teacher? No, you are not a Spanish teacher. Am I a French teacher? No, you are not a French teacher. Am I an English teacher? Yes, you are an English teacher. this, this, these, these, this, these, this, these, that, that, those, that, those, that, those. Are these cups full of tea? No, these cups are not full of tea. Are these cups full of coffee? Yes, these cups are full of coffee. Are these cups big or small? These cups are big. Is this room empty? No, this room is not empty. Are there people in this room? Yes, there are people in this room. How many people are there in this room? There are 4 people in this room.